everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today's just a quick video on my DIY nail prep solution that I've been using. It also can be used as a gel cleanser if you want to get rid of the residual layer on top of your gel. Some are no wipes, some you want to get rid of before you do an art on it, before you top coat it, or to prep your nail prior to after you file, prior to putting enhancements on. I just did my nails. My bottle ran out, so I just wanted to show you. First of all, make sure your bottle is rated for acetone, because acetone does eat plastic. It'll eat this right up. It's eating my cell phone charger when my husband got into my little bottles. I don't know why he decided he was going to empty my bottles, but be careful. Warn everybody in your household. Go ahead and mark it in some way and store it in a secure location, just like you should any chemicals, especially something like this that's not labeled very well. I do plan on getting one of those Mr. Yuck stickers and putting it on here. I do put a red dot on top. I've just glued that on. And I mark 3 parts. The formula I use is 3 parts 99% alcohol, 1 part acetone. I'll just show you real quick how to use it. It doesn't have to be exact. But since I'm mixing it, I figured I'd show you. The acetone I use is the Onyx Professional Maximum Strength. Make sure when you look at it, it says 100% pure acetone, whichever brand you use. There's no smells, no moisturizers, no nothing in it. I only use 100% pure. Nail polish remover will not do this. It will leave residue on your nails. And I use 99% isopropyl alcohol. This one I found on Amazon. I might provide the link below, but you can find it at your drugstore. 99% means that there's 99% of the active ingredient and 1% of other ingredients. Could be water, who knows. But there is also no moisturizers, nothing like that in this. This is drugstore grade stuff. Most stamping mats are acetone resistant. I should have got it out, but I was just in a hurry to get some more made up. So this is just what I do. And remember, acetone eats most plastics. So keep that in mind. You could test it in a little area on a bottle if it doesn't say. This was actually bought off of Wish, and I've been lucky that it doesn't eat acetone. I couldn't find my bigger funnel, so I'm using this one. And I like to switch out the lid. This was from a 70% bottle. I like to switch that lid out because it has a nice pour. And you just chug-a-lug some in there. You get it 3/4 full. You can actually measure this out with the measuring device, but I don't really find that there's a need to. See, it's about 3/4 full. Here, let me show you. See, it's about 3/4 full. You don't have to do exactly. You could put a 3/4 measuring cup and a 1/4 measuring cup. But as long as it's it's close. This is the potent stuff. Do not spill this on anything plastic, metal. It will corrode everything. And I made a little boo-boo there. But luckily I have my paper towel down. You want to wipe up. Do not be doing this over your good furniture. Store this in a safe place. Make sure you screw that lid on very tight. Most people use a pump-up bottle. I just haven't been able to find one lately. When you first do it, it'll feel extremely cold. But make sure everyone in your household knows, don't be touching your nail stuff, first of all. But that this is not water. It looks like water. Since I have it in a spritzer, I've put a little extra top on here. I've only got adults in my household, but I still put it up. Nobody's allowed to touch my stuff. Since that charger incident, acetone will eat it up. I give it a little shake every once in a while just to make sure. But it'll feel extremely cold to the touch when you first do it. So that was just a quick and easy DIY nail prep. I use it to I cleanse my nails off first. I buff them before my nail enhancements. Then I use that to clean off all the dust and get all the oils off of my nails. It works wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I highly recommend this formula, this recipe. Have a great day, everyone. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.